Hello friends, I am going to unbox my new Infinix Hot 10 Play which I bought on Big Billion Days. Let's see how the package is there and how the product is there. Everything you can see. I'm just unboxing it. Let's see how the product is there. See, this is Infinix Hot 10 Play. This is the bill which they have given. I bought it for around 8,000. Infinix Hot 10 Play. Let me just unbox it now. See, this is a brand new package. Everything is there. I am just going to unbox with this knife. Okay. Just now starting. You can take like this. Hot 10 Play, Hot 10 Play. I will give this review after certain weeks. Let's see. It's good, same color which I bought for black. Okay, let's give a review after some days. Thank you friends.